Hey there everyone, welcome to another Minecraft command block tutorial video here on the channel. I've got a pretty awesome tutorial for you today, slightly different to what I have done before. Within this video I'm going to show you some pretty simple examples on how you can detect chest contents in Minecraft using command blocks. And I actually have 3 examples of detectors that we can actually use here. Now, the idea is that each of these detectors right here are using my pretty classic redstone lamp detector design. So when the detector activates, it will place a redstone lamp on the detector. Now, each of these 3 detectors right here are checking the chest to the right of them. And as we go up through these detectors from left to right, the check that the command block is actually doing, or the detector is doing, gets more and more specific as we go from left to right here. So the first one is detecting if there is a diamond anywhere inside the chest. Okay, so as soon as we put a diamond item into the chest, the detector will activate. Okay. Now this can be just 1 diamond or it can be 5 diamonds. It really does not matter. So as soon as a diamond appears in the chest, the detector will activate, as you can see right here. Now, this second detector is a little bit more specific. This one tries to detect if there is a stack of 5 diamonds anywhere inside the chest. Okay, so it does not activate if you do 5 diamonds like this. It will only activate if there is a stack of 5 diamonds, as you can see right there. And you can place this anywhere inside of the chest and the detector will activate. Now, the third one goes even further still. This one is detecting a stack of 5 diamonds like this one, but it only activates if the stack is in the middle slot of the chest. Okay. And as you can see here, the detector is not reacting, but as soon as I put it in the middle slot, the detector has now activated. Okay, so I'm going to show you these commands in more detail in a text editor so that I can show you what I am actually doing here, but it's actually surprisingly easy to do these detectors, and these detectors are only using 2 command blocks in order to get this to work. So very, very quickly, however, I'm just going to kind of explain what is going on here. So how this command block detector system actually works is that essentially this lamp right here becomes an infinite lamp that gets spawned in. And how this actually works is that you have 2 command blocks right here, a repeating and a chain. Both of them are always active on the command block, and make sure that they flow into each other with the arrows on the side right here. Now, this command block, the first thing that the first command block actually does is remove a lamp. So I'm going to get to that in just a moment here. Now, the chain command block is what actually does the magic of the check that we need to do. So the second command block right here checks chest item data and add lamp. Essentially, that is what the second command block actually does. Okay, now how this actually works is that what the system first does is tries to remove the lamp. So this allows the detector to reset itself. So it will try and remove the lamp first, and then if the chest item data is valid, if it's what it's actually looking for, it will then place the lamp. So this allows the detector to toggle on and off, essentially. So that is about it, really. And I'm now going to go into the text editor right here just to show you these commands in more detail. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and we have 4 commands here that I'm wanting to show. So the first command right here is the first command that's in the detector. So that is what is actually removing the lamp in the first place. Now, I will actually point out here that within these commands that I'm actually doing, any coordinates that I'm doing in order to place the lamp or try and remove the lamp and what chest I'm checking and so on, I'm using relative coordinates, which are these things right here with the tilde characters. Now, If that is not going to work for you, make sure to find the specific block coordinates so that your detector actually works. I'm just doing this in this case because that happens to work for me. You may have to adjust these commands to work for the particular chest or lamp you want to place or whatever you want to do. So this one right here just sets a block above the detector to remove the lamp, essentially, and it uses Minecraft air to actually remove that lamp. Now, these three commands right here are the checking chest item data commands, and essentially this first command right here is the first detector, and then the second, and then the third. So they get more and more specific as you go down. So I'm going to explain the general format of this command. So what we're doing here is we're doing a /execute if block command. And again, we're using the relative coordinates to look at the chest that was nearby the detector. So we're doing an if block command because we're checking item data inside of a block. And what we're doing here is we're checking Minecraft chest, okay? And we're actually checking tags or tag data that's actually assigned to the chest. So if you did not know, chests have actually got a collection of data called items, and this gets filled in as the chest gets more and more items. And within this collection right here, in these square brackets right here, we have one item entity or one item data entry, which just has ID : Minecraft : diamond. So that is why it's only checking for any diamond inside the chest using that method. And if this succeeds and it finds a chest with that check, it'll then run a setblock command and it will place a redstone lamp on the detector. And it will use a lit redstone lamp. So that is the general sort of format of the command. And if we look at the second and the third one right here, the items check gets a little bit different. So in this one right here, the item data entry that we are checking is, again, Minecraft : diamond, but we're checking count 5B. So this is where we set the quantity we want to check for. So if I wanted to check for a full stack, I would do 64B and so on. So that just checks a stack of a particular item. Now this one right here, again, does the count and Minecraft : diamond, but we're also checking the slot right here. So we're doing slot : 13B, and that's checking the middle of the singular chest. In this case, we're using singular chest rather than a double chest, but you could do the same thing, I think, with a double chest. And essentially, when you're trying to find out this slot number, if you have the chest container, the top left slot is 0. It starts counting at 0, and then you move across the rows, each one at a time. So you go all the way to the end and then on to the next row and so on. And it just increments upwards from 0 all the way to the end. Okay, so that's how you find out what slot you want to target. And those are the commands. I will leave these commands in the description of the video. And just be aware that you can do a lot more with this. You can do more things than just place a redstone lamp. You could run another command. You could place a redstone block somewhere else to activate some other circuit. There's a lot more that you can do with this detector. I'm just showing you the basics. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this command block tutorial video. Hopefully this has helped you out in terms of checking the chests and so on. This sort of thing can be also applied to other containers in the game, but I'm just focusing on chests within this video. But if you did enjoy the video and it helps you out, then a like and subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my X, it's going to be on screen or in the description. But have fun with these detectors, and it may even be good for, unmodded multiplayer servers and custom maps and other things like that. So you could go completely nuts with this for sure. But thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Stay happy and healthy as always. And bye bye.